Now question number 15. First bracket 1 cube plus 1, second bracket 2 cube plus 2, third bracket 3 cube plus 3 and so on up to 2n terms. So automatically 2n terms will be there, and what is the right answer? 4 options are given. Let us see what is the right option to this question. 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 3, so on up to 2n terms, right? Now, so what we get? Solution. So 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 3, so on up to n cube plus n, right? Now 2n terms are there. So let us want sum 1 cube, 2 cube, so on up to n cube, first terms. Now second terms 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to n, right? Now sigma n cube plus sigma n square, sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and of course sigma n is n into n plus 1. You can take as usual n into n plus 1 by 2 common. So we will take n into n plus 1 by 2 common. Here 1 into n plus 1 by 2 is there, and here 1 is there after taking common. So write n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? So n into n plus 1, here n square plus n plus 2 by 2 into 2, 4. So this is the answer. So right option is fourth one. Question number 16. 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to n terms. What is the total value? Here also we are not calculating nth term, total value. Now 4 options are given. First option is given n by 8 into bracket 2n square plus 9n plus 13. Similarly, n by 24 2n square plus 9n plus 13, n by 24 into n square plus 9n plus 13, and fourth one n by 8 into n square plus 9n plus 13. So let us see. Of course, almost all brackets are having like 2n square 9 13 or n square plus 2n plus 13. Let us see what is the answer. 16th question. 1 cube by 1. 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3, and 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to n terms. What is the total value? Okay. Now here, what is your nth term? Let us first find nth term. Sigma n cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to sum of odd numbers. What is sigma n cube? Yes, n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4 by sigma 2n minus 1. This is 1, this is 4, this is 9. So nothing but n square. Yes, n square. Now let us get cancel this n square. So what is your nth term? N plus 1 whole square, n square 2n plus 1 by 4. Now to find Sn, sigma Tn, sigma n square 2 into sigma n plus sigma 1 by 4. Let us see simplification. Sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 into sigma n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2. So that is n into n plus 1. Sigma 1 n by 4. So we get second option, n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13 we are getting. Yes, sure. So what is the right answer now? Second option. Question number 17. Here again new model question is given. Two statements are there. We have to identify true statements. That is, one statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, both are true, neither one is true. So let us see that. First statement is given 1 into plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 and so on up to n into n plus 1 is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 is given. And second one 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 so on up to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is given by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. So let us see what is the right option. Then that is which statements are true. So I will write the question number 17. First statement 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 so on up to n into n plus 1. Given that n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3. First let us see this is right or wrong. This is one statement. Second statement 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, so on, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is given n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. Now, so whether they are true or not, so many methods are there, let us see. First one, put n is equal to 1 here, 1 into 2, that is 2. Here n is equal to 1, 3 3 cancel, you get same 1 into 2. Similarly here put n is equal to 1, 1 2 3 4 by 4, 4 4 cancel, 1 2 3. So what we understand here, so statement 1 is true and statement 2 also true. Suppose if you say like 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, your formula is sigma n, right? N into n plus 1 by 2, right? Suppose 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 so on up to n into n plus 1 is there. Then what is your answer? N plus 1, take next factor, n plus 2. Here we got 2, here you get 3. Similarly, 1 into 2 into 3, yes, 2 into 3 into 4 plus so on up to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So what is your answer? Yes, first n you get, then n plus 1 you get, then n plus 2 you get, and one more factor. After that, what is after n plus 2 what you get? Yes, n plus 3, 4. So you can understand the formula now. So both are true. Similarly, finally, can you write like this? What is this? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Tell me what you do? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. Tell me what is the right formula? Yes, first write the nth term, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. What is after n plus 3 you get? Right, n plus 4. By what is you get? 4 plus 1, that is 5. So this is the formula. So here both are true. So what is right answer now? Yes, third one. Third option is given, both are true. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 also true. Question number 18. Again two statements given, statement 1 and statement 2. So we have to verify true statements. So again options are given, only 1 is true, first option. Second option, only 2 is true. Third one, both 1 and 2 also true. Fourth one, that is neither 1 is true nor 2 is true. So let us see right answer and right option. Question number 18. So under question number 18, first statement given, 1 plus 3 plus 10 plus so on up to n terms, given that n into n plus 1 by 2. Second statement, 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 15, so on up to n terms, given by 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus n minus 2. Now we have to verify which statements are true, statement 1 or statement. First we will verify statement 1. So statement 1, put n is equal to 1, LHS is 1, right? What is RHS? This one, 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is also 1. Now n is equal to 2. In the first statement only, LHS. Here n is equal to 2 means sum of these two terms. 1 plus 3, that is 4. RHS, put n is equal to 2. So RHS is equal to 2 into 3 by 2. So we got 3, here 4. So it is very clear, wrong statement. So this is wrong. So false statements are not true. So second statement let us consider. Put n is equal to 1. What is LHS? 1. What is RHS? 2 to the power of n plus 1, 2 square, minus 1, minus 2. 4 minus 3, 1. So both are okay. Now n is equal to 2. LHS. What is LHS here? 1 plus 3, that is 4. Here on RHS, right side, put n is equal to 2. 2 means 2 cube and 2. So we got 4. So it is very clear, statement 2 is true. So only statement 2 is true. Only second statement is true. So what is your right answer or right option? Yes, second option is the right one. Okay, second statement or second option is given, only second statement true. So that is right. Question number 19. There are 4 values are given. We have to simplify each value and we have to write in the order, increasing order or decreasing order. Here they are asking increasing order. So this is again new model question. So under question number 19, 4 values are there. We have to compare and write in the increasing order. Of course, 4 options are given. First option ABCD, second one ADBC, third one DCBA and fourth one DABC. Increasing order. Right answer, right option. Question number 19. First one A. Given 10th term of the series 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3 and 1 by 3 into 4, so on. We have to write 10th term and we have to write the value. Second one, 8th term of 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7, so on. And C, 7th term, 7th term of 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 and so on. We have to go for 7th term. Now finally D, 6th term. 6th term of the series 1 by 1 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 9 and 1 by 9 into 14 and so on. So now we have to write the values of A, B, C, D and write in the increasing order. So first I will write the A value, 10th term. So what is the 10th term? If you see here, they are in the sequence of natural numbers 1, 2, 3. So automatically 10th term means 10 into 11. 1 by 110. Right? Now, we will write second one. So, 8th term, here you observe 1, 3, 5, that is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. When you put 1, you get 1. When you put 2, you get 3. When you put 3, you get 5. So, in the 2n minus 1, we will submit 8. So, 16 minus 1. So, we get 15. Right here, we have 3, 5, 7. So, this is 2n plus 1. So, when you put n is equal to 1, you get, and when you put n is equal to 2, 5. So, you get 1, 2, 3, 8th term. So, 2 into 8, 17 we get. So, we get 17 5s are and 17 1s are 255. Similarly, C value. 7th term. So, 7th term 147. So, 147 we get a plus n minus 1 into d, 3n minus 2, right, 3n minus 2. If you put n is equal to 1, you get 1, n is equal to 2, 4, n is equal to 3, 7. Now, here 3, here 3, here 3. So, you get 3n plus 1. Now, put n is equal to 7 here. 3 7s are 21 minus 2. 19, and here 7. So, 22. This is another value. Finally, D. 6th term. So, 6th term of this one. Again 1 by 159. So, A plus n minus 1 into D. So, 1 plus n minus 1 into 4. So, 4n minus 3. Put n is equal to 1 here, 1. N is equal to 2, 5. N is equal to 3, 9. Now, difference here 4, here 4, here 5. So, we get 4n plus 1. Now, put n is equal to 6. 24 minus 4 into 6, 24 minus 3, 21 into 25. So, we have to write now increasing order for this. Let us see what is the increasing order. So, D smallest value, next value C, this one, and next value B, next value A. Because it is simple, all numerators 1 only, more the denominator less the value. So, start from the increasing order means you start from the more value in the denominator. So, D is the next C, next B, next A. So, in the reverse order D, C, B, A. So, let us see what is the right option. Yes, third option. Third option is right one. Question number 20. Here assertion and reason model, again new model. So, statement 1 will be given, that is called assertion. Statement 2 is given reason. Same like previously 1 true, 2 true we write now. Similarly here A is true and R is true. That is statement 1 is true and statement 2 also true. Now, whether both are true when 2 is supporting A or not. That is, suppose the formula used in the statement 1 which is nothing but statement 2 only. Let us think. Then we write A is true, R is true, R is the explanation to A. Suppose A and R also true, but R is not the formula used in A. Then we write A is true, R is true, but R is not explanation to A. Sometimes only A true, then we write A true or false. Sometimes only R is true, formula is true, then we write A is false, R is true. So, these are the 4 options given. Let us see the question number 20, right answer, right option. First one, assertion, we denote with A. Statement 1 indirectly, AK is equal to 1 by k into k plus 1. Of course, k is equal to 1, 2, 3, n. All natural numbers given. Now, sigma ak 1 to n square is equal to n square by n plus 1 whole square. We have to verify this is true or not. Then reason, that is of course second statement we used to call, now it is given or any reason. Sum of the n terms given in the series n by n plus 1. So, in the above series, sum of the series is n by n plus 1. Now, let us see. So, solution. First we will do A. A is equal to 1 by k into k plus 1. Right. Now, if you apply this formula, sigma ak square. So, you get 1 by 1 into 2, 2 into 3 and so on, n into n plus 1. If you simplify, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. If you get cancel all terms, first and last will be there. That is n by n plus 1. Now, this is given square. So, let us use square. If you apply square, what you get? Yes, you are getting n square into n plus 1 whole square. So, what we understand, A is true and sum of the series n by n plus 1, that is also true. So, what we understand now from this, our answer is, statement is A is true and R is also true and R is the formula used in A. So, R is the correct explanation to A. R is correct explanation to A. So, what is your right answer now? Yes, first option is the right option. A is true, R is true, both are true and R is the correct explanation to A. Question number 21. Same model problem, assertion and reason only. So, first statement we used to call A. If n belongs to n, product of n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is divisible by 6. That is nothing but product of consecutive 3 natural numbers is always divisible by 6. That is true. Next, reason, any second statement. Product of 3 consecutive positive integers always divisible by 3 factorial. So, now 4 options are given. First option, both A and R true, R is the correct explanation to A. Second option, both A and R true, but R is the not formula used in A, that is not correct explanation. Third one, A is true, R is false. Fourth one, and A is true and R is false. So, let us see. N belongs to n. Product of n into n plus 1. N, n plus 1, n plus 2 is divisible by 6 and this is given under A. Now, reason, product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, product of 3 consecutive natural numbers divisible by 3 factorial. So, of course, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Put n is equal to 1 will give you 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5 and so on. So, it is clearly divisible by 6, no doubt in that. True. And second statement, product of 3 consecutive natural numbers always divisible by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6 only. Same second statement. This is A. Now, reason. So, consecutive natural number, same thing again. Product of 3 consecutive positive integers or natural numbers. Divisible by 3 factorial, nothing but 6 only. So, this is also true. So, what is the right answer? Yes, both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation to A. Both A and R true. R is the correct explanation to A. So, your right answer or right option. Question number 22. Match the following. Again, new model question. List 1 will be given, list 2 will be given. We have to match the correct matching from list 1 to list 2. In the list 1, we have Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4. In the list 2, we have A, B, C, D. We have to join them with a proper correct value, that is correct matching. Let us see what is the match following. 22nd and right answer, right option. Let us verify. List 1, Roman number 1. Under Roman number 1 is given 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7. So on up to n term. The sum we have to write. Roman number 2. That is second question. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 and so on. N terms. Sum of these values. And third Roman given by 1 first bracket 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on. Sum of n terms. And so here 1, 2, 3. Now fourth one, fourth Roman is given by 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8. 1 by 8 into 11, so on. And we have to join the list 2. Under list 2, the formulas are given. Okay. This is list 1 and this is list 2. So, A, B, C, D. Now, A is given n by 2 into 3n plus 2. Right. And second one is given n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And third one, C is given n into this one, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. And finally, D is given n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. Now, let us see what are the right option, means correct matching. So, I am trying for now correct matching from list 1 to list 2. So, first 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7, Roman number 1. Right. Now, if you observe this 1, 3, 5. So, nth term. What is nth term? 1, 3, 5 means you get 2n minus 1. Right. Into 3 means 2n plus 1. Okay. So, when you put n is equal to 1, 3, n is equal to 2, 5. So, 2n plus 1. So, it is nothing but 4n square minus 1. So, 4 into n square, sigma n square, 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n. And let us see second Roman. 1 into 2 into 3. Just now we wrote the formula for this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Next factor is n plus 3 by 4. So, Roman number 2 will be connected to C. Roman number 2 to C. This is C. And third Roman. Third Roman is 1, here 4, here 9. 1, second one is 4, third one is 9. Nothing but 1 square, 2 square, 3 square only. So, sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So, where is that? N into n plus 1, 2. So, B. So, Roman number 3 will be connected to B. Roman number 3 to B. Okay. Now, Roman number 4. 1 by 2 into 5. So, difference is 3. So, 1 by 3 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. And this is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8. So on. So, what is nth term here? 2, 5, 8. So, 2 plus n minus 1 into D. So, 3n minus 2 plus 2. So, we get here, we will write nth term here for the fourth Roman. So, it is given 2, 5, 8. 2 plus n minus 1, the difference is 3. So, 3n minus 1. If you put n is equal to 1, you get 2. If you put n is equal to 2, you get 5. So, last one is 1 by 3n minus 1 minus, so here difference is 3. So, add 3, 3n plus 2. Now, if you simplify, all terms are getting cancelled. That is first factor of the first term and second factor of the last term. So, we get 1 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 3n plus 2. If you take LCM, 3n plus 2 minus 2, any 3n by 3 into 2 into 3n plus 2. So, what we get? So, again 1 3 got cancelled. So, n by 2 into 3n plus 2, we are getting that A. So, Roman number 4. Roman number 4 will be joined to A. So, right option is fourth one. So, answer is fourth option is the right one.